lot of people ask me where I get my dad jokes from. The truth is, I have a million of them. I keep them stored in my database. That one was actually submitted by one of you guys. Thank you, Kevin. If anybody else has a joke or two that they want to send me, I just might put it in a future video, so keep them coming. Welcome back to the Dad Bod. Wasn't planning on making a video today. I was actually just planning on sitting back, relaxing with my lady, watching a few movies. We were in the middle of watching the remake of the old 90s movie, The Witches, when the mail came. It was highly welcomed. Anne Hathaway's accent in that movie is giving me a migraine. It was that rich, fancy Russian accent. Anyways, a while back I was bored, so I ordered a few things from Wish.com. I know, nothing good ever comes from a sentence like that. But maybe we can have some fun seeing what I got. I ordered it during a sale, so didn't spend as much. I ended up getting a suit and an overcoat. Hawker Tee and Indochino suits were about $400. Suit supply is a little bit more. Oliver Wicks is like $800. So a $19 suit's probably just going to be funny. I actually had to pay a little bit more for the suit because I'm not the size of a small child. As you increase the size of the suit you're ordering, it increases the price. $19 would be for an extra small. Mine came up to $34. I used the measurements that I used for Hawker Tee, Indochino, Oliver Wicks, and Woody's, so that way it was as accurate as I can make it. And then I went up one size just to make sure that it fits properly. The one that I ordered is the Men Fashion Wedding Business Suit, 3-piece suit, jackets, men's suit, set formal, blazer, plus vest, plus pants suits, set men groomsmen wedding suits, extra small to 6XL. Fourth time's a charm. That's probably the worst name for something that I've ever seen. I guess they just wanted to make sure that it got all the keywords in there. So, anyways, let me go try it on. I'll be back in a minute. I guess I can do this in frame because of the 3-piece suit that I got. I only have one piece. This is all that's there, is the jacket. So, guess who's going to be submitting a claim? Oh no! Oh my goodness! This feels like a straight jacket. Okay. That's not buttoning. Figured I'd switch to this camera so that way you guys can see everything. Alright, suck it in! Suck it in! I'm gonna get this. Alright, Chris Farley. Who's the fat guy in a little coat? Fat guy in a little coat. That was unexpected, and it just made this entire order absolutely worth it. That was awesome. I can't wait to look at this video and see what it looks like. Oh, I look like I got destroyed by Wolverine. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this camera now. That just made this entire order worth it. I've never actually ripped clothing like that before. I feel like the Incredible Hulk. But wait, there's more. I also ordered an overcoat. This one didn't go up in price by me putting it a larger size. It was originally $68 and I got it for 50% off, so I paid $34 for it. It's currently listed for $83, so the price has gone up a little bit in the past couple of months since I made my order. This is a long cardigan, solid color, wool coat, men's overcoat, plus Sizzy outwear windbreaker. I'm guessing that it meant to put size outwear windbreaker, but as you can see, that's not what it says. So based on the size chart, I got a 3XL, which should be the equivalent of a 50 long. Again, that's a size up from what I normally wear, just like this was supposed to be. Let's find out. Alright, here it is. It's actually better than I thought. The quality is still absolute garbage. It feels like the quality of maybe a pillowcase, but it fits. And it's warm. So, yeah, I would say this is worth $35. That's basically it for this video. Before you guys leave, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you're notified when I end up releasing more shenanigans like this.